What's up, SBM gang? Today I am back with another video, and today UNice Hair sent me another bomb wig. This wig was everything I loved. Y'all know I love my pre-colored wigs because I hate dyeing hair. That's a me thing. Every hairstylist isn't like that, but for me, I don't like dyeing hair. I don't like the smell. I don't like the process. I don't like the trial and error. So whenever a company sends me a pre-colored wig, I get my life. In this shade, I don't know, it was just giving me Adele vibes. It was giving me 23 vibes. Like, I just love this color. So we did go in with some glue. Usually we do glueless installs, but because we needed this wig to last, I told her, girl, you're gonna have to get some glue today. She loves the glueless because she can take it right off with water and it's just so easy to remove. But she needed this thing on for at least a week. So I did my tape and I did my boho active, and it's wet, no shade. So you guys already know I'm using my boho lace tape so I can secure the what? Secure the lace. And it's no shade. In my opinion, instead of putting a bunch of glue on your nude cap, the tape is just way more easier to do. And also it gives a strong hold. And when you're taking your lace off, it's way easier to clean because it's less glue that you use to stick your wig down. Work smarter, not harder. So now I'm just applying my Bold Hold Active evenly and thin. You have to make sure that you don't goop too much glue on because it won't dry clear. And if your glue isn't dried clear, it's not going to melt and it's not going to give you that ultimate stickiness that it can achieve when used properly. And it's wet, no shade. Stop rushing it. Apply your glue on flat, please. Just do it right, period. Now that all the glue is flat and dry, I'm just going to apply this wig on. Placement is key. So you have to make sure your wig isn't too far back and it's not too far up. Put it right on top of where you put that glue. And make sure you apply that glue where it needs to be. And you won't have no issues. And it's wet, no shade, period. And then tie her down. Like, don't do nothing else once you apply that lace, but tie it down so you give your glue a second to really, really dry. So lately I've been really picky about my baby hair placement. Back in the days, I used to just, pull hair out wherever and call it a day. But now I'm really understanding that where you pull them out is important because that's what makes it realistic or noticeable. You don't want your baby hairs too far apart and you don't want them too close together. Like, you have to figure out that perfect medium for you. Now for me, I don't even know what I like to give. I just know that I like them closer together than farther apart, those two corner baby hairs. And I know I used to do my two corner ones really far apart and that wasn't cute for me. So now that I pull them a little bit closer together, I'm kind of getting into that, no shade. You guys already know to curl y'all baby hairs with a baby flat iron and not no thick, bulky flat iron. Now for the baby hairs, I love the hairspray method right now. I haven't been using gel. I'm probably not going to go back to gel. because I feel like you can manipulate the look you want more with hairspray, and it's no shade. Now, I can't tell you exactly how to work the hairspray. You have to make it work for you, because you don't have a long time frame to get the shape you want before that hairspray dries. So it's kind of like you gotta basically pre-set your baby hairs, so that way when you spray it, all you gotta do is just lock it in, no shade. Do not be scared to OD on the mousse. The more mousse you use, the more you're setting that hair and the flatter you're getting it. So I love to pound the wig with mousse because I know it's going to be flat once it all is said and done. No shade. So now I'm just adding layers to this situation because I knew I was going for dramatic curls. This hair felt so soft, it didn't shed. It was really pre-plucked, so I barely had to even add any of my own plucking to it. Shout out to UNice Hair. This is one of their good wigs. I really like this wig. Y'all let me know how y'all feeling it if you guys do decide to order it. But yeah, if you do want a voluminous body Hollywood type curl, you definitely want to go on with some layers just to add some real distinctness to your curls. When you have just regular, like curls with just regular length hair, no layers, it just doesn't, it could be cute, but it doesn't give what needs to be gave, you know? So never be scared to add in some layers. Layers give color. Layers add texture. Layers just give life. So I don't never be scared to cut these wigs. It's no shade. And you guys already seen me curl hair a billion times. This is one of my thicker barrel curler irons. I got it from the hair store. It wasn't no more than $20, and that's pretty much that on that. Y'all already know that I've been curling like this forever. I used to use the flat iron a lot to do curls, but you know, I had to grow up. So I just really like my curling irons, and this one just gives me a bigger curl than my other curling irons do. So that's why I tend to use this one a lot. But yeah, you can get this right at the hair store, no shade. And once we're done with those finishing touches, that pretty much sums up this look. And it's what? No shame. Shout out to UNice Hair for always sending bomb quality wigs. I will leave all the information in the description box. Thank you to everybody that's been supporting my YouTube channel. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. The SBM gang is growing and it is no shade, period. Shout out to Gabby. Make sure y'all follow her on all her social media platforms as well. And stay tuned to the end. We got some more TikTok behind the scenes for you guys, period. That's my part. I'm gonna come in wild. Oh.
I don't want to change this.
Yeah,
I'm not feeling